solid wall. They wouldn't see anything until their intruder is literally in the doorway from the kitchen into the living room.
That sun's making it hard to film.
Was that Marianne is actually facing her intruder. She is struck in the head, right on the left side of her head, and it was probably the first blood. Your person would be right-handed. She also has a lot of blood on her hands.
What are you doing?
What do you do? Oh, geez.
What are you doing, Cash?
Now, we have a rope that's involved that goes around her neck, and we have handcuffs.
Shadow, look. Look at Kitty.
This is the moment that
Kitty said surprise.
probably days, so
look.
This might have been the time that the killer tied up Ashley, handcuffed Marianne, and tied a rope around her neck, too. She knows nothing is going to be happening to her.
Forget it.
In the next moments or hours or whatever to come. The fingertip marks on Marianne's neck are kind of weak. I don't believe that the killer's intent was to strangle her, but instead to use it like a leash to control her.
Shadow, you just passed him.
These are heaviest, really thick blood saturation. She has some pretty good abrasions on her elbow. She has abrasions on her knee, so there's no doubt she's down this way, okay?
You meanie.